Did you know 81% of New Yorkers believe schools should teach about climate change? Teachers want to teach about climate, but need relevant, easily accessible resources. In October 2023, SubjectToClimate partnered with the National Wildlife Federation to develop a solution. Almost a year later, we are proud to announce the official launch of the New York Climate Education Hub. In this hub, teachers can find everything they need to bring climate education to their classrooms, all for free. Teacher-created lesson plans for all grades K through 12. Over 100 New York-specific resources. News for students powered by the Juice. Continued learning through professional development opportunities. Developed by New York educators for New York educators. Visit NewYorkClimateEducation.org and start your climate education journey today.